What if I told you that you could draw the wildlife from your property right into your front yard? Take those rare occasions when you encounter nature, when you're on a walk on your property, but make that an everyday occasion without leaving the comfort of your front porch. In this video, we're gonna walk you guys through our design tactics and methods on this Pondless Waterfall project that do exactly that, from cultivating beautiful sounds of nature without having to leave the front porch, to bringing everything that was already existing in this client's backyard and wooded area straight to the enjoyable area on a daily basis. So these homeowners are big nature lovers. They actually had this giant stump when they purchased the property that they actually set up a Bluetooth camera on that was a live feed so that they could see, they'd put food, they'd put water bowls, and they'd get to enjoy the wildlife that came up and, inhabited this stump. So this was actually the start of all of this, was increasing the amount of times that they get to engage and interact with the wildlife that was already in their property. So they have over 30 wooded acres in what is mostly kind of a city type environment. So there's really not all that much woods around, so they got kind of the lion's share of the wildlife in the area, and to increase the chances was exactly what they wanted to do. So they knew they didn't want a pond, they didn't want fish to have to take care of, and the amount of actual predatory birds and things in the area kind of deterred them from that anyways. But they'd been following our YouTube channel. That is exactly how they found us, is like what you guys are watching right now. They found us on YouTube and they knew that they wanted a pondless waterfall. The ultimate goal was to increase and provide, increase the chances that they would run into wildlife without having to leave their back porch, without having to do anything but literally look out their kitchen window. They can see birds drinking out of this stream. They can see the animals that are interacting with this thing, because body of water is going to bring in all manners of wildlife. Everything needs water. So not only did they want the sound, they wanted those increased chances of encounters with nature, as we all do. So after seeing a lot of the stuff on our YouTube channel, these homeowners knew they didn't want something tiny. They didn't really want, a 3-foot long waterfall with one little pooling area that's right in the middle. They wanted something that made a big impact, something that looked like it had been there forever, even though the home was already built, which is kind of what we specialize in. Large scale boulders, even on a small scale project. So this is a 10-foot long pondless waterfall with boulders up to, I think, 2,000 pounds. We use some beefs in this thing, but they really wanted upped water flow, which we did, so that they could increase the sound that was projected to the porch, as well as send the sound off the house and into the woods to try to draw in our furry little woodland folk. And that's exactly what has happened here. So they wanted the pondless waterfall, and they wanted something that was going to be big enough to where deer could come and lay in this thing if they wanted to, and that's exactly what happened. So we designed this thing with nice steep drops into the hillside, as well as a big pooling area in the middle, so that all manners of wildlife could be able to get in there, cool off if need be, get a drink. And that was exactly the purpose and the function that was behind this thing in the front end that inspired the entire project, and that is exactly what we did here. So if you're curious as to how you could potentially increase your encounters with wildlife on your property that already exists there without having to move, without having to find somewhere that's in the middle of nowhere where you actually have the wildlife, something like this could be the answer to all your issues and all your prayers. Doing a pondless waterfall, fountainscape, even a pond, any of these things, creating a nice healthy body of water with that turning over and the sound that it emanates is going to draw in all manners of wildlife, birds, possums, you name it. These things are all going to flock to wherever you build this thing at. So if you're wanting to have all of these encounters, if you're a bird watcher, this is the thing to do. A nice slow moving stream is going to do exactly what you're hoping it's going to do, and you might be able to actually enjoy encounter after encounter with the exact wildlife of your intents just by designing one of these things and having it built properly right outside the area that you spend your time in. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Tristan Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. I'm out.